Hey everyone, my name is Rizwan and this is my first YouTube video. I've started my data science journey, so I wanted to discuss some topics which I thought would be of interest to others. Here I create a function for making graphs as part of our ED analysis. So this is a function where we make the graphs based on the type of the variables. That is, when the variable is numeric, it will create a boxplot and histogram. And when a categorical variable is found, it makes a bar chart and a pie chart. The function graph takes in arguments, that is the dataset, and variables for which to make the graph if you specify, else it will check the whole dataset on its own and the file location where to save the graph. Next is the if condition. Here we check if there is any object in the dataset. If yes, then only it will continue. Else it breaks and gives a message. So here we are initiating a for loop with I having the length of the var's variable. This is the beauty of R. We don't need to further specify the length like we need to do in Python. Next we check if the variables are numeric. If yes, it continues. Now we create the PNG file using the PNG function and give the name of the image file that will be taken from the column name of the dataset, and we paste it with the .png format for the operating system to read the file. Next we need to give the contents of this image file. We will be plotting a boxplot and histogram for the numerical variable, so we divide the frame in 2 rows and 1 column using the parameter function. The boxplot and histogram are plotted with their respective functions, giving each plot name specific to that variable, and after creating the file a confirmation is given. Before we close the for loop, we need to reset the parameter to default, that is 1 into 1, and save the file. In our next if condition, we will check if the variable is a categorical by is.factor. If it is a categorical variable, then we plot bar plot and a pie chart, and voila, our function is done. For demonstration purposes, I have used the Boston dataset. Now let's run the graph function. Now I'll call the graph function. As you can see, we get the confirmation that all the files are created. Now let's check the files. Here are all the files for the graphs of all the numerical and categorical variables. Each variable has its individual file. If it's a numerical variable, it has a boxplot and histogram with its name, and if it's a categorical variable, there's a bar plot and a pie chart. That's it from my side for now. Thank you for watching this video, and take care. Enjoy your data science learning.